welcome to Stack Edu Software. So for today's session, I'm going to be teaching you how to manage and make a term active. So the first place I'm going to go to will be page settings. And under page settings, you have term management. I'm going to click on that. So to add new record, if you're just setting up for the first time, you click on new record, select the term. If it's first term, if it's second term, then you put it. I'm going to make use of first term. Then you select if you want it to be active or inactive. That is for the particular term you're onboarding with us. If it's first term, second term, third term, you make it which term you're onboarding with us, you make it active. Then click on it. But since this school I'm using for a demo has uploaded all their results, they have uploaded all their necessary information. So let me show you how this school's terms upload looks like. So the second term, edit. You can see current, if it's active or inactive. So currently their second term is active, meaning they're on second term. You can see for first term, edit is inactive, meaning that this first term is not active. So this system reads that they are on second term. So any results that they are uploading, when it's being organized and arranged in the portal, you can see for first term the current is showing inactive. Likewise, third term too is showing inactive. So if you want to make a particular term active, all you have to do is click on the edit button, click on the current to say inactive or active, then you click on active. When you're done, you submit it. If you want to delete, likewise, you also have delete button here. You just click on delete and click yes, delete it. So that is basically all for terms management. If there's any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time for more. Bye.